This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Seasonal escape ready to rent on a monthly basis. Cozy up to the fireplace, enjoy alfresco dining in the patio garden. This Grand Harbor 2 halves with 1-car garage, laundry room, bedrooms upstairs, is a pleasant place to spend the winter. No memberships included. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774-4405.